Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a center stand spring. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your motorcycle is securely supported, perhaps on a paddock stand, to prevent any accidental movement. Don't forget to put on your safety gloves and eye protection. Having the right tools, like a dedicated spring puller or a sturdy pair of pliers, will make this job much easier and safer for you. Now, let's get the center stand ready. You'll want to make sure the stand is fully extended, as this often reduces some of the spring tension, making it a bit easier to work with. Take a moment to locate exactly where the spring connects to both the motorcycle frame and the stand itself. Pay close attention to how the spring is oriented. This will be helpful when you reinstall it later. This is the crucial step, removing the spring. The safest and most recommended method is to use a dedicated spring puller tool. Hook it onto the spring and pull steadily away from its attachment point. If you don't have a puller, you can carefully use two large flathead screwdrivers as levers. Insert them into the spring coils and gently pry the spring off, always maintaining control to prevent it from snapping back. Once the spring is off, take a moment to inspect it thoroughly for any signs of wear, stretching, or corrosion. This is a good opportunity to clean the attachment points on both the frame and the center stand. Removing any dirt or rust will ensure a smoother reinstallation. Before putting a new or old spring back on, a light application of grease or lubricant can make the process much easier and help prevent future corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.